Hey y'all, Iris here. Today we're going to talk about a really common little herb that you probably have in your garden. It's called cleavers, also known as Velcro plant, and in garden circles, it's known as a pesky weed that no one wants. However, if we take a closer look, we can learn that cleavers is a valuable asset in the world of herbal medicine. Cleavers is packed with vitamin C, and I love to harvest it in the early spring and dehydrate it to use in teas throughout the winter time. It's also a wonderful aid for your lymphatic system. It also serves as a very valuable, abundant, free source of food for our rabbits in the early spring months. I am not a medical professional. This is not medical advice. This video is for educational purposes only. If you did find value in it, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video. Thanks, y'all. Have a great day.